हेलो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे सभी नर्सिंग परीक्षाओं के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न और नर्सिंग इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। पार्ट नंबर 7 है ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पढ़ते हैं। ये सभी नर्सिंग परीक्षाओं के लिए आरआरबी, एसजीपीजीआई, आरएमएल, एएनएम सभी नर्सिंग परीक्षाओं के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पढ़ते हैं, चलिए। वेयर इज बकल मेडिसिन सपोज्ड टू बी प्लेस्ड? A on the skin, B on the conjunctiva, C between the cheek and gum, D under the tongue. That that is correct answer, between the cheek and gum. Next question. The method of setting formal guidelines before starting a work is known as A. Assessment, B. Coordinating, C. Execution, D. Planning. That is correct answer, D. Planning. Question number next, third. Which of the following is the immunoglobulin synthesized by plasma cell that is responsible for allergic reaction? A. IgM, B. IgA, C. IgD, D. IgE. That is correct answer, D. Next question. Question number 4. Which one of the best solution for treating hypovolemic shock? A. NS, B. RL, D. D5%, D. D25%. That is correct answer, B. RL. Next question. Question number 5. The largest sesamoid bone of human body is A. Patella, B. Hamate, C. Pisiform, D. Stapes. That is correct answer, A. Patella. Next question. Question number 6. Superior and inferior colliculus are part of A. Midbrain, B. Pons, C. Cerebellum, D. Medulla oblongata. That is correct answer, A. Midbrain. Next question. Question number 7. Normal range of potassium in plasma is A. 3.8 to 5.1 MEq per liter, B. 135 से 145 MEq पर लीटर, C. 7.1 से 8.9 MEq पर लीटर, D. 110 से 125 MEq पर लीटर. That is correct answer, A. 3.8 से 5.1 MEq per liter. Next question. Question number 10. Which one of the following muscles is called the peripheral heart? A. Plantaris, B. Gastrocnemius, C. Soleus, D. Sartorius. That is correct answer, C. Soleus. Next question. Question number 11. Bell's palsy is caused due to involvement of which of the following nerve? A. Trigeminal nerve, B. Lingual nerve, C. Facial nerve, D. Abducens nerve. That is correct answer, C. Facial nerve. Next question. Question number 12. Vertebral artery is a branch of A. Common carotid artery, B. Subclavian artery, C. axillary artery, D. Internal carotid artery. That is correct answer. B. Subclavian artery. Question number next 13. Murphy sign is positive is in A. Cholecystitis, B. Appendicitis, C. Diverticulitis, D. Nephritis. That is answer A. Cholecystitis. Next question. Question number 14. Pal- Palomo operation is indicated in A. Hydrocele, B. Varicose vein, C. Varicocele, D. Torsion testis. That is correct answer B. Varicose vein. Question number 15. Shortest part of male urethra is A. Prostatic urethra, B. Spongy urethra, C. Membranous urethra, D. Glans. That is correct answer C. Membranous urethra. Question number next 16. Melanocytes are present in A. Stratum corneum, B. Stratum spinosum, D. Stratum germinativum, D. Stratum lucidum. That is correct answer C. Stratum germinative germinative germinativum. Question number next 17. In which part of nephron glucose reabsorption take place? A. Proximal tubule, B. Distal tubule, C. Collecting duct, D. Loop of Henle. That is correct answer A. Proximal tubule. Next question 18. Sulfur containing amino acid is A. Phenylalanine, B. Glycine, C. Methionine, D. Valine. That is correct answer C. Methionine. Next question 18. Recommended dose of BCG vaccine is A. 0.1 ml, B. 0.5 ml, C. 1 ml, D. 5 ml. That is correct answer A. 0.1 ml. Question number 19. Optic cranial nerve is A. Sensory nerve, B. Motor nerve, C. Both, D. None of the above. That is correct answer A. Sensory nerve. Next question 20. Urine output less than 100 ml is termed as A. Anuria, B. Oliguria, C. Enuresis, D. Micturition. Reason. Micturition. That is correct answer A. Anuria. आज के लिए इतना ही. आप एक क्वेश्चन रिवीजन कीजिए. भी क्वेश्चन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए लाता रहूँगा, जो कि एग्जाम में आने की संभावना ज़्यादा रहेगी, वही क्वेश्चन लाऊंगा। आरआरबी, रेलवे और एसजीपीजीआई, केजीएम, आरसीएच हो, एमपीसीएच हो, सभी के लिए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, एएनएम, जीएनएम, सबके लिए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये। इसलिए आप सब लोग हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करो, इससे कि ऐसे ही अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन आपको पढ़ने के लिए मिलते रहें। नोट सेट के लिए भी काफ़ी अच्छे क्वेश्चन है। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।